Hi, I am Priyanka Rathi. I am Marcom Head Holostik India. And in the Women to Watch 2026 awards, we won two awards. One in the personal category, where I won the Execution Excellence Award, and another category is the Company Award, where Holostik India won the Safety in Women Wellbeing and Excellence Award. So I would like to begin with saying thank you to Printweek for saying yes when the idea of Women to Watch came up to them 2 years back. I would like to say thank you to all the judges for saying yes to become part of this journey and meticulously, evaluating the entries and then selecting the winner out of it. I may like to say thank you to all the supporters for saying yes when Printweek came to them with the idea of having this august gathering of professionals together at one place. So I would like to say yes to all the yeses. I may like to say yes that I'm very happy that I won this award, and I would like to say yes to all the women out there, because this award for all the women for saying yes to their dreams. And I think it's yes to everything which our industry and fraternity is doing good. I think it's a wonderful event, and Women to Watch Award is, I think, one of the best and one of the very special award category which has been started off by Printweek, one of the most credible trade magazine in our industry. And I think this is the best thing which we can do for printing and packaging industry. And the event itself was wonderful. I would say that as far as change is concerned, what we want is the trust. That very first step, that you have to trust, then we can be in the powerful roles. We can head a company. We can be a CMO of a company. We can be a CEO of a company. We can be a CTO of a company. There is a reason we invest our time and in our education. Why do we do engineering? Why do we do mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, aeronautical engineering, spend doing MBA, learning, and growing and investing in ourselves? Because we know we can take up those challenges and roles. It's just that you need to take that first step. You just need to trust us, and if you'll trust us, we can do wonders. That's the only thing.